Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. I am Ajit Lole, Assistant Professor, Yashwantrao Chavan College of Science, Karan. This lecture is for BSc second year student. Today I will discuss about Vindhyan supergroup. So let's start the lecture. Vindhyan supergroup. The Vindhyan supergroup named after the Scrapped mountain. Scrapped, it is just like steep mountain. Scrapped mountain on the north side of Narmada Valley. It is exposed in an area about 1,04,000 square kilometer. The term Vindhyan was first used for a thick succession of sandstone formation of Bundelkhand and Malwa regions, where these rocks rest directly on Gwalior group. The sandstone in southeast and southwest part are underlined by Semri series with an unconformity. The upper Vindhyans formed of sandstone are 3 times thicker than lower Vindhyans. Vindhyan supergroup is classified as below, that is under upper Vindhyans and lower Vindhyan. Upper Vindhyan, and lower Vindhyan. Here lower Vindhyan is of only one group, that is Semri group. It is again subdivided into 4 formations: basal formation, porcelainite formation, Khenjua formation, Rohtas formation. Semri group is again divided into 4 formation: basal formation, porcelainite formation, Khenjua formation and Rohtas formation. Thickness of Semri group is about 1300 meter thickness, and the lithological characteristics: in basal formation, sandstone, shale, quartz and conglomerate is generally observed, while porcelainite formation generally shales are observed. Khenjua formation, limestone, shale and sandstone is observed. Rohtas formation, shale, limestone, sandstone and conglomerate is also observed in Rohtas formation. This is about Semri group. Then Kaimur group is divided into 3: lower Kaimur sandstone, Bijagar shale, upper Kaimur sandstone. The thickness of Kaimur group is 400 meter, while Rewa group is Panna shale, lower Rewa sandstone, thin shale, upper Rewa sandstone. Thickness of Rewa group is 2000 meter, and Bhander group, that is Ganurgar shale, Bhander limestone, lower Bhander sandstone, Sirgur shale, upper Bhander sandstone. The thickness of Bhander group is about 1000 meter. Vindhyan group is divided into 2: lower Vindhyan and upper Vindhyan. Lower Vindhyan again divided into only one group, and it is separated by unconformity of the unconformity present between lower Vindhyan and upper Vindhyan. Upper Vindhyan is again divided into 3 groups: Kaimur group, Rewa group and Bhander group. Semri, under lower Vindhyan, Semri group is again divided into 4 different formations: basal formations, porcelainite formation, Khenjua formation and Rohtas formation. Kaimur group is divided into 3 formations: lower Kaimur sandstone, Bijagar shale, upper Kaimur sandstone. Rewa group is again divided into 4 different formations: Panna shales, lower Rewa sandstone, thin shales and upper Rewa sandstone. Bhander group is again divided into 5 different formations. Here Ganurgar shales, Bhander limestone, lower Bhander sandstone, Sirgur shales, upper Bhander sandstone. This is vertical distribution of Vindhyan supergroup, a classification of Vindhyan supergroup. Then let's study in deep Semri group. Semri group, they are exposed in Son Valley, Dhar forest along the Kaimur scrap and near Chittur in Rajasthan. The group comprising about 1300 meter thick shales and limestones with a basal conglomerate. Horizon is subdivided into basal porcelainite, Khenjwas, Rohtas formation. The basal rocks rest over Bijawar group along Son Valley. The porcelainite formation contains volcanic products contemporaneous to Malani volcanics. The limestone of Khenjwa formation contains stromatolites, Canophyton, Cylindrus, Colinia, Columnaris and Colonia species. The sucket shells of Rohtas formation have offered disc-shaped remains of doubtful organic origin. This is about Semri group. Then Upper Vindhyan, they rest over Semri group, as you know, with a marked unconformity in the Son Valley and Dhar forest area. In other places, they rest over Bundelkhand gneiss and Gwalior group, etc. The Upper Vindhyans have uniform character and are formed of predominantly arenaceous succession with subordinate shales and limestone. Shales often contain carbonaceous matter and microscopic plant remains. Sandstone shows shallow water structure. Presence of coarser sediments to south indicates that the sea was open towards north. Coarse grain texture and red color of sandstone suggest origin of sediment under dry climatic conditions. Then Kaimur group, it begin with a layer of conglomerate containing pebbles of jasper. This succession is divided into lower Kaimur sandstone, Bijagar shales and upper Kaimur sandstone. The sandstone comprise flagstone, siltstone and quartzite sandstone horizons form scrap and shales constitutes gentle slope. Then Rewa group, it constitutes 2000 meter thick succession of red shales and sandstone bed separated from underlying Kaimurs by a diamond bearing conglomerate horizon. Rewa group, it is 700 meter thick consisting of pebbles of vein, quartz, jasper, jasper and green quartzites in a matrix of sand and clay. Diamond occurs as placer deposits. Here in Rewa group, diamonds occurs as placer deposits. The inconsistency in lithology, Rewa group is subdivided into two sandstone formation. Upper limit of Rewa group is marked by diamond bearing conglomerate horizon. Famous Panna diamond field belongs to this group. In India, Panna diamond field is belonging to Rewa group. Then Bhander group, it is the most widely distributed group of 1000 meter thick succession of shales, limestone, dolomites and sandstone. The group divided into 5 formations. The sandstone formation extending from Jodhpur to Pokhran in Rajasthan, as Rajasthan has been formally grouped as Jodhpur sandstone. So this is about Vindhyan supergroup. Vindhyan supergroup, once again I would like to review about classification of Vindhyan supergroup. That is, Vindhyan supergroup is divided into two, Lower Vindhyan and Upper Vindhyan. Lower Vindhyan and Upper Vindhyan is separated by unconformity. Lower Vindhyan is again grouped as Sembri group. Only one group is there, and Sembri group is again subdivided into four different formations: basal formations, porcelainite formation, Khenjua formation and Rohtas formation. While Upper Vindhyan is divided into three different groups: Kaimur group, Rewa group, Bhander group. Then Kaimur group is again divided into three different formations: Lower Kaimur sandstone, Bijagar shales, Upper Kaimur sandstone. Rewa group is divided into four different formations: Panna shales, Lower Rewa sandstone, Thin shales, Upper Rewa sandstone. Bhander group, Ganurgar shales, Bhander limestone, Lower Bhander sandstone, Shirgur shales and Upper Bhander sandstone. And about thickness, Lower Vindhyan, thickness of Lower Vindhyan is up to 1300 meter, while Kaimur group of Upper Vindhyan is 400 meter thick, Rewa group 2000 meter thick and Bhander group is about 1000 meter thick. This is all about Vindhyan supergroup. So I hope you understood this lecture. If you have any doubts, please ask me in comment box, and those viewers new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. So thank you for watching. Thank you very much.